Discover the LiteLinx MST, a multi-port service terminal, designed to streamline fiber deployments with pre-connected cables and hardened adapters, eliminating splicing. This innovative solution cuts installation time by up to 30%, while its IP68 rated enclosure ensures durability in harsh conditions from -40° to +80° Celsius. Available in 4, 6, 8, or 12 ports, optional built-in splitter or stubless flavors, it offers unmatched scalability for networks of all sizes. With versatile mounting options like messenger wire, pole, or pedestal, the MST excels in fiber to the home and fiber to the premises applications, delivering cost-effective, reliable connectivity. Experience effortless, excellent fiber with LiteLinx. Visit litelinx.io today.